Did you know that people are making thousands of dollars just by uploading AI-generated football and FIFA videos on YouTube? Football is one of the biggest niches in the world, and whenever there's a major tournament like the FIFA World Cup, millions of people are searching for football content. That means this is a huge opportunity to create viral videos, and you don't even need professional editing skills anymore. Imagine being able to turn a simple football idea into a complete cinematic video with AI in just a few clicks. Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using MagicLight AI. We'll create an amazing football video from scratch, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your own AI football content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you want to post it. But before we get started, I have a giveaway for you. I'll be giving away 2 MagicLight Pro memberships to 2 lucky viewers. Here's how to enter. 1. Register for MagicLight AI using the link in the description. 2. Leave a comment below this video. 3. I'll randomly select 2 winners. Once you're selected, simply send me the email address you used to create your MagicLight account, and I'll forward it to the MagicLight team so they can upgrade your account to MagicLight Pro for free. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also be sharing some tips to help you create even better AI football videos. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, when you visit the link in the description box, you'll be redirected to the official MagicLight AI website. All you need to do is sign up using your Google account. Once you've signed up, you'll see an interface like this. It's very easy to use, and literally with just a few clicks, you can create complete videos. Now, let me explain why this is different from most other AI video tools. With other tools, you usually have to generate the script separately, then generate the images separately, then generate each video clip separately, combine everything together, add background music, add voiceovers, and do a lot of manual work. Creating a single video can easily take hours, or even days. But with MagicLight AI, the entire workflow is handled for you. You simply enter your idea, and the platform takes care of almost everything. Let me show you. Alright, so this is where you need to enter your idea. You can generate ideas using ChatGPT. For example, I had a football topic that said, what if FIFA players played in a cyberpunk future world in the year 2090? I gave that idea to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a detailed paragraph prompt for my video. As you can see, it generated a complete prompt for me. Now, I want to create a video that's around 3 to 5 minutes long, so I'll simply paste my prompt here. Next, you can choose your style. There are many different styles available. You have options like kids' story videos, short drama videos, explainer videos, religious story videos, and many more. For this example, I'll choose the story to video option. Then you need to select your story model. As you can see, MagicLight AI offers a variety of top AI models, including Gemini, Claude, GPT, DeepSeek, GLM, and more. For this video, I'll use GLM 5.2. Now, one of the best things about this platform is that you can create videos up to 50 minutes long. You can see here that the maximum supported duration is 50 minutes. That's honestly incredible, because most AI video tools focus on short clips. But here, you can create complete long-form content. For this video, I'll choose 3 to 5 minutes. You can also select your language, video ratio, and even choose a voiceover of your choice from the available options. Once everything is set up, click Next. Now the platform will start analyzing the story, and the AI model will craft the complete video structure for us. Let's wait a few seconds and see what it creates. Okay guys, so here you can see that it has generated a complete synopsis for us. The video is approximately 5 minutes long and contains around 60 shots. You can see every scene, subtitle, and shot breakdown right here. Everything looks good, so let's click Next. Now, this is really impressive. The platform has automatically detected 7 characters from the story. It analyzed the entire script, identified the characters, and even generated images for them. For example, you can see Messi here, Ronaldo here, and the other players as well. If you want, you can add more characters manually. But for my story, these look perfect. Just look at how intelligently the platform analyzed the story and extracted all the important characters automatically. Honestly, that's really impressive. Let's click Next. Now you can see the workflow panel. At this stage, MagicLight AI has started generating images for every scene, and it will also prepare the voiceovers. This section acts as your storyboard, where you'll be able to see every image, every scene, voiceovers, subtitles, and all the details of your video. If you want to make any changes, you can do so in the editing section as well. Let's wait and see what it generates. I'm genuinely excited to see the results, because this is actually crazy. Previously, I had to use one tool for scripts, another tool for images, another tool for videos, and then spend time combining everything. But here, I simply entered an idea, and the platform started building the entire project for me. Anyway, let's wait for the results. Okay guys, the images have now been generated, and honestly, they look really good. Now, let me show you another amazing feature. For example, if you want to change the pose of a character in an image, you'll see several pose options here. Simply select the pose you like, and MagicLight AI will generate a new version of that image using the selected pose. Let's try one and see what it gives us. Wow guys, this is actually crazy! Look at the pose I selected, and look at the image it generated. That's seriously impressive. Now, if you want to completely regenerate an image, you can simply click Regenerate, and it will create a brand new version. You can also change the voiceover from here, or upload your own custom image for a specific scene. This storyboard gives you complete control over every element of the project. Now that our images are ready, let's convert them into video. Simply click Animate here. Instead of animating each image individually, click Animate All. Then choose the model you want to use. You'll see multiple models available. For this video, I'll choose Dance 1.5 Pro. Then click Confirm. And just like that, it starts animating all the images. Think about how fast this workflow is. We started with a simple idea, generated the story, created images, prepared voiceovers, and now we're animating the scenes. The entire process took less than 5 minutes. That's honestly impressive. Anyway, let's wait for the final animations. Okay guys, the scenes have now been animated and converted into videos. As you can see, they look really good. If you're not satisfied with any scene, you can regenerate it as well. Since all my scenes are ready, I'll click Next. Now you can choose whether you want to add subtitles. I'll enable subtitles for this project. You also have the option to add background music and adjust its volume. I'll set the volume to 5% and then click Generate. Now, MagicLight AI will start rendering the final video. Let's wait for it to finish so we can check out the final result. Another cool feature is that once your video is generated, you can directly publish it to YouTube from within the platform. That's another great time-saving feature. Anyway, let's wait for the final video. Okay, once the video has finished generating, you can simply download it. But before I show you the final result, let me show you one more interesting feature. You can actually earn money through MagicLight AI. Just click Join Now. Here, you can publish your own original assets, such as AI characters, visual styles, and other creative resources. When other users use your published assets, a portion of their credits is allocated to you, allowing you to earn from your creations. The best part is that there are no follower requirements. It's open to everyone. Anyone can start creating assets, publishing them, and earning from them. Simply click Start Creating, create your assets, publish them, and start earning. Now let's quickly look at the pricing. MagicLight AI offers multiple plans depending on your needs. Their Ultimate plan starts at $150 per month, which includes 230,000 credits per month. Their Ultra plan starts at $90 per month, which includes 120,000 credits per month and access to all available models. As you can see, I'm currently using the Ultra plan. They also offer a Pro plan starting at $44 per month. And if you're looking for a more affordable option, there's also the Plus plan, which starts at $28 per month. Personally, I would recommend either the Ultra plan or the Ultimate plan if you're planning to create a lot of content, since they provide a generous amount of credits. Anyway, let's check out the final result of the video we created.
The year is 2090. A massive stadium hangs suspended above a neon-drenched megacity, anchored by beams of solid light that pierce the clouds. Inside, the pitch pulses with electric blue energy, humming with the weight of quantum processors. Thousands of surveillance drones swarm the air, their red sensors sweeping the tunnel in rhythmic pulses. The air vibrates as a holographic portal flares into existence at the mouth of the tunnel. Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Kylian Mbappé step through. the light refracting off their neural interfaces. Every movement they make is tracked by the stadium grid. Their eyes scan the surroundings, processing data streams invisible to the naked eye. The narrator's voice booms across the arena. Football is no longer played by humans alone. Every player is enhanced by artificial intelligence, quantum reflex systems, and cybernetic precision. The legends walk onto the center circle. The floating structure tilts slightly, adjusting its gravitational stabilizers to compensate for the crowd's shifting weight. This is the future FIFA never imagined. The stage is set. Erling Haaland steps onto the grass. His mechanical joints whir with every shift in weight as he calibrates his energy shield. At the center, Jude Bellingham stands perfectly still,
his eyes flickering with rapid streams of neural link data. The stadium goes silent for a heartbeat.
Then, the match begins with a violent sonic boom. Kylian Mbappé engages his magnetic acceleration boots.
The ground beneath him ripples as he launches forward, leaving a searing neon trail in his wake. He breaks the sound barrier instantly, the air cracking around his path. He leaps 20 feet into the air, his trajectory defying every law of gravity.
The stadium's gravitational stabilizers groan, struggling to compensate for the sudden kinetic surge.
Haaland pushes off the turf, his massive frame moving with hydraulic efficiency to intercept the play.
The crowd of millions erupts, their cheers synthesized into a roar that shakes the floating structure.
Every player is a blur of calculated speed and raw power. The game is no longer a contest of endurance. It is a rapid-fire calculation of physics and sheer velocity. The ball, a sphere of swirling plasma, streaks across the pitch. It glows with an intensity that leaves a faint trail of ionized air in its wake. Vinicius Jr. weaves through a defensive line of autonomous drones, his movements synchronized with the flickering rhythm of the turf. The ball travels toward the goal at impossible speeds. A goalkeeper waits, his arms expanding as segmented energy gloves materialize around his hands to catch the shot. A shower of digital sparks erupts on impact, the force of the plasma core momentarily overloading the sensors. An autonomous referee drone descends, projecting a laser-sharp offside line across the grass in a microsecond. The light cuts through the haze, pinning the players in a grid of absolute judgment. Every movement is logged, every angle calculated by the system. The stadium hums, the holographic fans pulsing in perfect sync with the tension on the field. No room for human error, no room for hesitation. The plasma ball rebounds, caught between the defensive grid and the relentless pursuit of the attackers. The field is a cage of light and logic, and the standoff intensifies with every passing second. Lamine Yamal takes possession near the edge of the penalty area. His movements are no longer organic, but a series of precise, quantum-calculated adjustments. He calculates the trajectory through the shifting magnetic fields that guard the goal.
The ball pulses, drawing energy from the turf as he strikes it.
It does not fly. It curves, bending around a defensive drone with impossible geometry. The air ripples where the ball passes, splitting the neon haze like a blade. The goalkeeper dives.
But the math is already decided. The ball hits the digital force field of the goal with a thunderous, low-frequency hum. The impact is absolute. The force field shudders, the glowing grid lines distorting and cracking under the sheer kinetic load.
For a fraction of a second, the entire structure bends inward. Then,
the goal sensors flash green. The force field shatters into a cascade of digital debris. A colossal holographic celebration instantly floods the sky, visible for miles. The stadium floor pulses with blinding light as the crowd's energy feedback loop peaks. The digital celebration is instantaneous,
synchronized perfectly with the ball crossing the line, marking a moment of absolute technological perfection.
Neon fireworks bloom in the upper atmosphere, raining light down upon the city.
The celebration is no longer contained within the stadium walls. Data streams broadcast the victory to the orbiting space colonies, where millions watch the flickering feed across the void. The match data pulses through the planetary network, a testament to the new era of the sport. In 2090, football is not merely a game. It is the ultimate battleground where human intuition and machine precision converge. Every strike, every calculated curve, every defensive shift marks the intersection of biology and innovation.
Could the legends of the past ever imagine this scale of greatness? The question hangs in the silence as the stadium lights dim.
The holograms dissipate, leaving only the residual glow of the pitch. In the center of the dark field, a particle-based FIFA trophy drifts, rotating in the air. Its edges shimmer, shifting through layers of light. The display holds for a heartbeat, a digital relic of the match. Before the final signal cuts, the screen fades to black, leaving only the faint, persistent hum of the network. The era of the future has been defined, and the game has evolved beyond its origins into something entirely new.
Okay guys, that was honestly amazing. What impressed me the most is how simple the entire workflow was. We started with just a single idea, and MagicLight AI handled the story creation, character generation, image generation, voiceovers, animation, subtitles, background music, and even the final video output, all in one place. If you're interested in creating football content, FIFA videos, storytelling videos, YouTube shorts, TikToks, or even long-form YouTube videos, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. Don't forget to register using the link in the description and enter the giveaway for a chance to win one of the 2 MagicLight Pro memberships. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you'd like me to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.